Be sure to change these settings before actually jumping into a game on your PS5. We're gonna be using this 1440p LG monitor for example. First off, you're gonna go to your PlayStation 5 settings over here on the right side. You're gonna click OK. Now you're gonna scroll all the way down to screen and video. Now make sure resolution is going to be on 1440p, but maybe yours is on automatic, which could be a problem because as you can see 1440p actually doesn't want to work with the screen. Now probably you guys have the same problem. As you can see, if I do nothing over here, it is simply gonna say couldn't display 1440p on your HDMI device. But here is a way to fix this over here. You're gonna say test 1440p output. You're gonna click OK again. Now you're gonna wait and make sure to click yes every single time you see the screen, and you will see it will go off again, and you will need to click yes again. Now you will see it will go blank again, and it should be able to work right now. If you select OK, you can go back to resolution up here and go to the 1440p option and select yes, and now you can probably see it is gonna work. There you go. Now your monitor supports 1440p, but there are a few other settings that is important, like VRRR is not supported on monitors with HDMI 2.0, so please keep that in mind. 120Hz output needs to be on automatic. ALMM can be off. Then you can see over here HDR is gonna be another story, because I'll show you guys how to enable 1440p with HDR actually turned on. Right now we're gonna launch some Fortnite so you guys can see if this monitor or any type of monitor that's 1440p can actually run 120 FPS. If you jump into your game that supports 120 FPS, make sure to go ahead and go to the settings of that game and make sure it's on 120 FPS mode. Now you're just gonna scroll down and make sure all the other settings are like so. You can say show FPS and then just select apply. Now we're gonna go back and actually jump into the game, and as you can see, it feels pretty smooth. I do have the monitor's FPS counter up there as well with the games, so you can actually see Fortnite does support 1440p at 120 FPS. But it is not with HDR, and it actually doesn't want to work with HDR. So I'm also going to show you guys how to fix a 1440p monitor that doesn't want to work with 120 FPS on HDR. So we're going to try to fix this, and you're going to go over here to settings again. So just scroll over here all the way to the right side like you did in the first round. And we're going to scroll back down over here to screen and video. Now after you click on screen on video, you will see we're going to scroll down all the way to actual HDR. Now I want to turn on HDR of 1440p, but as you can see when I select always on, my monitor is going to give me this error. This resolution is set to 2160p because the connected HDMI device doesn't support HDR, which is clearly a lie because it does support HDR. So now we're going to go ahead and try to enable 1440p, which it still doesn't want to work. So there's actually a fix for this, and I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do this. You're going to say test 1440p again. Now you're going to wait for this screen and make sure to click yes every single time you see this, because that's very important. And now you can see the monitor is actually supporting, or actually picking up HDR at least, and we're gonna select 1440p again, and there you go. Sure enough, it does support 1440p at HDR, but 120 FPS on HDR. Oh my, this guy is actually going to try to ruin the video, guys. Oh my. Okay, we're quickly gonna try to get him over here. He does have a weapon in Fortnite, but I'm gonna use my pickaxe. Let's see how skillful I actually am. There you go, we almost got him. But anyway guys, I want to show you guys how to adjust the HDR on the screen. As you can see, it's now enabled, but it's not perfect. And I'll make a video in a few days about how to adjust the HDR on a PlayStation so it doesn't look bad or anything, so it can actually look better. Make sure to subscribe with all bell notifications turned on, because then you guys won't miss that video when it comes out in a few days. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys in the next one. Peace out.